how to change location on Netflix account. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can change the location on Netflix account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, changing location on Netflix account usually means maybe that, let's say, you want to actually go ahead and then basically watch something that is not available in your region. In that case, changing your location is a pretty much simple process. So let's say you want to watch some South Korean shows, but you are not in there and it's not showing up for you. You can try to switch your location, and the only way you can do that is by simply using a VPN. Now, there are obviously several VPN out there, such as ExpressVPN, Tomato VPN, Turbo VPN, but the one that works for Netflix is NordVPN. You can also check the reviews of other VPN applications, which is the premium one. So they have premium plan, they have the free plan. Of course, this video is not sponsored by any VPN or something. I'm just showing you the best ones. You can try to get the premium of those VPN and just try to see if those things work out for you. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.